Alright, so today we're going to be installing these LED fog lights on the 2016 Subaru. Right now they are this yellow tint here, and we're going to be going to the LEDs. Alright, so we got these off Amazon for 25 bucks. This is what they look like here. Pretty basic. Came with a pair of two, obviously, but these are them here, and we'll see how they look. Alright, so to install the new LED fog lights, you're going to have to come into here and get these two front clips. You only have to take these off, and then this will actually bend down just enough to get your hands in there and take them out. So this is what we're going to be changing out right there. Still good here? Might want to get this side pull them down. So we're going to reach under here, and you're going to feel for the light here, and it's going to turn to the left. So lefty loosey, righty tighty. See? Alright. And then it comes loose. You just give it a little wiggle. And there she is. Alright, so it's just as simple as pushing this tab down. Comes right off. That is the old one. And install the new one. Just pay attention where the tab is and where it goes. Bam, simple as that. It's in, and you're just gonna reach up in there, find the hole again. Alright. That's it. Alright, so you're just going to do everything you just did, but backwards. So we're just going to tuck this in right there. And then it sits up in there nice. And then if you want to see here, one goes in there, the other goes in there. With these clips, you'll need to push them up as much as you can. About like that. This may work. Sometimes you have to pull them out more. Nope, that was good. And then you just push it in. This one, just like that. And push it, and we're done. So that's that side, and we're gonna do everything we just did here on the other side. Alright, so we got the new fog lights in, the LED ones. Let's go ahead and see how they look. Alright, look at that. Woo! It is bright. So let's take a look at the other side. And then together, that's what they look like. Those look awesome. Alright, so that is how you install LED fog lights on a 2016 Subaru WRX. Same goes for a lot of the 2015 and up models. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you want to subscribe, feel free to subscribe. You can follow us here with this WRX, some of the things that we're changing. And we also give tips on how to change some of these things. So if you have a similar model and you just kind of want to see how things are done on it, make things a lot easier, hit that subscribe button and check us out. All right.